Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel, HobbyTech01. Today we're going to take a used up lighter and see if we can recycle the flint. Usually when these lighters go to waste or are emptied or whatever, this one's non-refillable. No butane for this one. So it's either a landfill or we can take the flint out of this unit and use it on this other lighter. Well, we start by taking this part right here. Oh, let's take it apart, okay? You can use a little canister like this where the lighter came in, so you can put spare parts. If you are the type of person who like to do several projects, you can have spare parts here for any other project. So I'm only interested in the flint. So let's see what's up. Whoa, spring wing is flying. But the flint, right there, that's the flint. Lucky, huh? And apparently, in comparison to the other one that I have here, the little dark thing you see there next to the spring, this one has more meat. No, seriously. Just doing some tricks on this thing, fooling around. I've almost spent it all. So if you guys remember, I mentioned that in this felt pad, it's a small little hole right there. It is said that the purpose is for you to put an extra flint right there. That's the extra flint, huh? In this case, I want to make a test to see if it works. Chances are this light is already dried out, but for test purposes of sparks, that's all I need. There we go. The insert has the screw back on for where the flint, for how you call this? Okay, where the flint goes. See if it still has some lighter fluid left. Oh yeah, there you go. Worked fine. Oh, there you go. Thanks for watching, and this is another YouTube video from HobbyTech01. Enjoy and just recycle. Thank you.